I'm going to be staying upstairs here at the Sourdough Lodging. Down below used to be the old general store back in the 1900s. However, it's been converted into a coffee house now, which is open seasonally. The upstairs portion where I'm staying used to be a brothel back in the 1920s. In the process of testing this unit, I noticed I wasn't getting much water out of my syringe. So whenever I went over to my water bottle connection here, I noticed that it was leaking air. And I wound up having to take it apart to be able to replace the water bottle attachment. And in doing so, the one bolt that holds everything together to the pipe broke. It turns out that they were utilizing larger water bottles by a different manufacturer than ADEC, and they are not approved by ADEC. I did wind up going over to the hardware store because I didn't have a bolt with me that would work. They had two that might possibly be able to fix this issue. This here is where the water bottle attaches to, and this part is where the water bottle straw attaches to. And it also allows water to come up through the center, and then air, it will redirect it around so that it pressurizes the water bottle, pushing the water through the system. I found it easier to actually install the tubing first and then connect all of my connections before moving forward. Now I'm going to try the first bolt that I was able to find here locally at the hardware store to see if it would work. Unfortunately, it was too short. The next bolt that I had available didn't go all the way into the sinkhole, but it did fit all the way through. It's a 2-inch, and it will hold everything in place until we can get the correct bolt ordered and installed. The water bottle straw that was currently installed was actually long enough to work with the larger water bottle, and since those are not allowed, I went on ahead and just cut the water bottle straw short to fit the correct water bottle.